The best time to repair driveway potholes is when surface temperatures are consistently above freezing and extended dry weather is forecast. Pothole repair requires selecting the right material and preparing the hole properly to achieve durable results. For small to medium potholes, clean the area thoroughly by removing loose debris and water, then roughen the sides and bottom with a stiff brush or hard tool so the new material bonds to virgin pavement. Use a cold patch product only when temperatures are mild or the manufacturer specifies winter use, because cold mixes are designed to work at lower temperatures but may need warmed material to flow and compact properly. For asphalt hot mix or heated factory blends, perform repairs in early spring through late summer when ambient warmth helps compaction and curing. Heat the patch and surrounding edges with a torch if recommended and safe to improve bonding. Compact the patch in thin lifts with a hand tamper or vibratory plate until the material flows to the edges and forms a seamless bead with the existing pavement, then slope the surface slightly for drainage away from the repair. Allow longer curing times in cooler weather and avoid traffic until the manufacturer recommends the surface is load-bearing. Common mistakes include filling a pothole without removing standing water and loose material, which causes immediate failure because the patch cannot bond to a wet or undermined base. So always clear and dry the hole first, or drill small drainage holes if water cannot be removed. Another issue is using too large a lift and insufficient compaction, which leads to future settlement. So place material in handheld depth layers and compact each layer fully until it densifies. A third concern is attempting repairs in freezing or stormy conditions without accounting for extended curing. So either wait for milder weather or use a product formulated for cold application and plan for extra curing time and restricted traffic until the patch hardens. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources relevant to driveway repairs and project timing. We help contractors find work and homeowners find potential pros, and we also host an active discussion community where we share tips and experiences about materials, timing, and best practices.